Hello folks, if you're watching this you probably know Project Athens. If not, you can check our GitHub repo, it's github.com/gomods/Athens. We have a documentation at docs.gomods.io and we also have a Slack channel on Gopher Slack, it's called Athens. A lot of you ask and have trouble with setting up the project and running a unit test, so let me just quickly walk you through it. What I have here is a clean install of Ubuntu. I installed them all. I installed the Make tools. I installed the Visual Studio Code for code editing, Git, Docker, Docker Compose. I set up my SSH keys, and I also install Go. That's pretty much it. I installed Go in a stable version. It's Go 1.10.3 at the moment. So let's just let's just check our documentation. It's here, and development MD contains a section initial development environment setup. It advises you to run a make setup def env. So let's just do it. Make setup def env. What this does, this installs a Golang, it installs dep, and it installs a Buffalo and spins up a Mongo and Redis, which should be enough for development purposes. But now setup def env failed on error, saying that temp.dir unbound variable. If you check get buffalo sh, you can see that temp.dir is used as a directory where downloaded buffalo is extracted and then it's moved to some sane location. So let's just set temp.dir to temp. Make the script again. Yeah, now it works. We try to make this process as smooth as possible. In a few days, maybe this won't be necessary, but I want to go through it and I want to show you different situations you might end up with and show you how it clicks. Okay, now you can see we have a Mongo and we have a Redis up and running. So next thing which you should do is start all the services that Athens needs. You do that by running a make all deps. So let's just clear the screen and run make all, no, it's together, deps. If you check a make file very quickly, if I can find it, yep. Make all deps spins up MySQL, PostgreSQL, Mongo, Redis, Pinio, Jaeger. Mongo and Redis is already running, so it should be fast. I already pre-downloaded them, so you don't have to wait too long. Okay, so all deps are running, and now we can run the tests. So let's just do it. Make test unit. We have a two set of tests. One is a unit test. You can find it here somewhere. What is a unit test, and the other one is end-to-end test. So if you're interested in a unit test, it tests all the packages, all the storages, everything. So it's most problematic. I will kill it as soon as I see some exception here. Okay, the first one. Missing Mongo URL. Okay. Athens uses different storages and it uses Mongo and among others, and Mongo URL is specified by Athens Mongo storage URL environment variable. Sorry. This is not set, so let's just check the Travis file because I don't know it exactly. So Travis. Okay, here it is. Travis is a good source when you have problems with the setup. So Athens Mongo storage URL. Yep, it points to localhost. So we'll just export, clear the screen, and run this again. I will just kill it when I see something again. Okay, looks good. Looks good. Oh, and we have exception. I'm too slow. And what this says is that RDBMS test failed. Okay. Test new RDBMS. To test RDBMS, you have to do two things. Two things. One is to provide it a one is to provide a pop location of pop path where pop should look for database YAML. We use pop for RDBMS. According to pop specification, database YAML should be in project root, which is here, but we don't see a database YAML file here. We have two Buffalo projects. We have Proxy and Olympus. Each of them has its own database YAML. So we just need to tell pop to use one of those. Again, you can check the Travis and there is a pop path which says use command proxy, use database YAML from a proxy. And we can export it and okay, I will clear the screen again and run the test. Yep. So now pop should look for database YAML in this folder. I can open database YAML. Yeah, we can see a multiple section here. One is development, which uses MySQL. Other one, which should be used for test, is test Postgres. And we have an exception here. We also need to tell it to use a test Postgres because by default it uses development. So again, we have a goenv variable for that and clear export goenv use test Postgres. Okay, and make test run. Okay, I will just kill it and go to the top. Athens development does not exist. Why is that? Well, if you check documentation, you can see that before test, before development, you should spin up a database. You should create and migrate. So we use Buffalo. Buffalo, what is it? DB create. Buffalo command not found because we just need to update our path. Export. Yep, and now it should work. Yep. So database created. Now we should migrate. Buffalo DB migrate up. Created modules, created CDN, metadata entries. Okay, looks fine. Now clear and make those tests run again. Yeah, so far it looks good. RDBMS test passed. We just have to deal with another problem, which is good description is here. Okay, package github.com Athens blah 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 add version blah 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 invalid GitHub import path. This is because I use stable version of Go 1.10. This version does not have a module support. Athens is currently built on Go 1.8 11 beta 3. So we just need to download uh, unstable version and have it side by side. Okay, so stable, it should be on the bottom of the page. Yep, go on beta. So instruction says that we should run go get go long go beta. So let's run this. Okay, and use go 1.11 beta 3 instead of go. Okay, so let's try that. 1.11 beta 3 and command not found. Why is that? That is because my path does not contain go path bin. So let's just use this one instead of this go bin. Just a really hacky way. Go 1.11 beta 3. Okay, now it's okay. And you should run download first before using this. Okay, so okay, success. You may now run go 1.11 beta 3. But Athens need to know where it is. So, oh, not where it is, but what it is. For this, we have a variable which is called go binary path. We export that and we say that we have go 1.11 data 3. Go binary path, go. Oh, let's see if it works. Make test unit. Okay, okay. Looks good so far. Yep, looks good. Test pass. So you can now play with it, tweak it, raise a PR, and after you're done, we have a special command which is make def tier down, which brings every service Athens need down. Yep. So I guess that's it. I hope this was helpful. Hopefully you will not need to go through it, but at least you know how to react when you see something like that. Ciao.